Good evening, teacher and mates. My name is Camilo Andres Ortiz Cadena. I'm a student of electronic engineering, and just I'm recording this video to perform the requested in the stage five. I'm gonna talk a little bit about my last trip that we had and the plans that we have for the future. So, just starting with the travel that we have. I just remember the last one that was when I was going to Melgar. Maybe if you remember Melgar, I was going to Piscilago with my daughters. We were going just to enjoy a little bit and rest a lot of with my family because, every day we are working so hard. We're just getting so exhausted every day, but we need to take a moment just to rest. Now, yeah, I remember that travel that when I was going there, so I had a blowout with my car. Just I didn't have any idea about cars at that time, and that was pretty funny because when you are driving, you just are thinking and you are just listening to music and you're concentrated in the straight going straight to the park. But when I had the blowout, I really didn't have any idea how to change a wheel or something like this. I had to step another cars, and other people just to help me changing my wheel or something like this. But it was my last trip. It was a little bit of it was a little experience that I had in that moment, and I guess that's pretty much it for this. So about my plans that I have for the future, I'm gonna say that in this moment I'm just finishing my career here, and I would like to get some more certificates just to improve a little bit more about my academic skills. And also, I would like to start learning Portuguese a little bit more. I'm starting this moment learning a little bit of Portuguese, but it would be better for me for my job, and just that's all. Okay. Thank you so much for your time. That's pretty much it that we have for now, and bye.